Hello, my little rabbits. I miss you so much. I hope you're doing well and staying healthy, getting a little fresh air from time to time, getting off that video game just a little bit, perhaps. Anyway, um, I obviously wish we could be together, but I'm glad that we have some means of communication because if you think about it, in the past, that wouldn't have been an option. Nothing like this was available. So hopefully we'll be able to be together soon, but in the meantime, um, I hope this all works out for you. What I want to do is walk you through this week's assignment for Avid for college and career. The whole purpose of Avid really is to get you ready for the potentials of college and career. So organization is the greatest component of that as far as school goes and something we're supposed to be spending time on. So this is actually a perfect opportunity to show you some of those things. I want to give credit where it's due. Miss Cataby came up with this. She and I have been working very closely together, and she shared this with me, and I loved it. I think it's perfect for what we're doing for right now, so a big shout out and thank you to her. What I want for you to do is get on Google Classroom. Right now you can just sit and watch what I do, but when you're off on your own, you'll be getting on Google Classroom, very same place we've always been. In case somehow someone hasn't joined the class, I don't think that's possible, but just in case, class code is up here, ZTBSG72. When you get on there, you're going to go to classwork, as always. I tagged this, let me move this over for you just a little bit. I tagged this online learning week 1. What I want for you to do is simply click on that. And then you'll notice where it says copy of getting used to online learning. Click on that. Now, hopefully you'll have no problem getting to this. If you do, obviously email me right away and I'll get it to you. What this is a schedule that's created for you to fill in all of your class periods. You'll, at the top, put in your first hour, what it is, your teacher's office hours, and then fill in what activities you participate in that week and the time frames. An example of that is right here that I made. What you can do is fill in, like pretend this is all pretend obviously for now, but pretend your first period is language arts with me. So you'd put in my office hours, which by the way, mine and Miss Fred and Cozy are all 10 to 11 a.m. Monday through Friday. On Monday, again, this is pretend, but let's say you got on there Monday and checked for 10 minutes in on what online, your online work looked like for the week. Then Tuesday at 11 a.m. you completed your no writing assignment. Yes, there is one this week. Wednesday at 2:30 you watched my instructional video. Thursday from 9 to 10 you finished the graphic organizer and turned it in. And then Friday, let's say you were able to say nothing, I already finished my work. So what I want you to do is this kind of a thing for each and every class. Please be very true to what kind of time you do and don't spend, because we're going to be doing some more things with it next week, and that'll make that part of things a whole lot easier. You'll be creating something that's more of a schedule for you to follow and to use as you're going through this process. I hope you all are doing just great. I love you so very much, and I'll talk to you soon. Be sure to email me again if you have any questions, or really if you want to just say hi. I'm on my computer probably more than I should be, to be honest, but pretty much all day on and off. So let me know if you need anything at all. Love you, sweethearts. Bye-bye.